Hello everybody. Today's my topic is redox reaction. In this video, I solve some previous year MCQ question which came in NEET and JEE main entrance examination. It is seen that each and every year one question came in NEET and JEE main exam from this topic. So this is an important topic for NEET exam and JEE main exam. Now my first question is which of the following reaction are disproportional reaction? In this question four reactions are given and there are some option. Now at first we want to know what do you mean by disproportional reaction. In this reaction, a single atom undergoes oxidation and reduction simultaneously. To solve this question, in the fourth equation, we see that the which atom undergoes oxidation and reduction simultaneously. In first equation, copper atom undergoes oxidation to +1 to +2 state, and this copper atom undergoes reduction to +1 to 0 state. So same atom copper undergoes oxidation as well as reduction. So equation 1 is an example of disproportional reaction. Now in equation 2, amine atom undergoes oxidation to +6 to +7 state, and this amine atom undergoes reduction to +6 to +4 state. So equation 2 is an example of disproportional reaction. Now in equation 3, amine atom reduced to +7 to +6 state or +7 to +4 state, and oxygen atom undergo oxidized to -2 to 0 state. So equation 3 is not example of disproportional reaction. And example 4 is an example of equation 4 is an example of comproportional reaction. So only equation 1 and 2 belongs to disproportional reaction. So option D will be a correct one. This question came in NEET exam 2019. My second question is the oxidation state of chromium in CrO5 is -6 +12 +6 +4. Now this question came in NEET exam 2019 in Odisha. This CrO5 structure is very important one. In CrO5 there is two peroxo bond, and we know in peroxo bond oxygen having oxidation number -1. In this picture blue color oxygen is peroxo bond oxygen having oxidation number -1, but oxygen atom in double bond is normal oxygen having oxidation number -2. So unknown chromium having oxidation number X, one oxygen involves double bond having oxidation number -2, and 4 blue color oxygen involves in peroxo bond having oxidation number -1 is equal to 0. So X becomes 6. So chromium atom in CrO5 having oxidation number +6. Now the third question is the correct order of N compounds in its decreasing order of oxidation state. There are 4 compounds which arrange in their oxidation state. Now we know oxidation number of HNO3 of N is +5, NH4Cl is -3, N2 is 0, and NO is +2. So HNO3 having oxidation number +5 is more than NO +2, then N2 0, then NH4Cl -3. So the correct arrangement is option C. This question came in NEET 2018 exam. In this video the fourth question is an example of disproportional reaction is Here also four equations are given. This reaction came in JEE Main 2019 exam. Now, what do you mean by disproportional reaction? Where one atom simultaneously undergoes oxidation and reduction in a reaction. So, in equation A, amine atom undergoes reduction to +7 to +2 state and iodide undergoes oxidation. So different atom undergoes oxidation reduction. So equation A is not example of disproportional reaction. In equation B, in equation B, bromide undergoes oxidation and chlorine atom undergoes reduction. Different atom undergoes oxidation and reaction. So equation B is not example of disproportional reaction. In equation C, amine atom undergoes reduction to +7 to +6 state and +7 to +4 state, and oxygen atom undergoes oxidation to -2 to 0 state. So equation C is not example of disproportional reaction. Now the last example is example equation D, where copper atom undergoes oxidation to +1 to +2 state, and that copper atom undergoes reduction to +1 to 0 state. So copper atom undergoes both oxidation and reduction. So equation 4 is an example of disproportional reaction. So between ABCD, equation 4, equation D is an example of disproportional reaction. In fifth question, which of the following reaction is an example of redox reaction? There are four equations. In first equation, oxidation number of xenon increased by 2 unit and it goes to +4 to +6 state. And oxidation number of oxygen decreased to +1 to 0. So option 1 is an example of redox reaction. In equation 2, HCF2 plus PF5 is equal to HCF plus dot PF is minus. It is an example of fluoride donor reaction. Fluoride donor, HCF2 acts as fluoride donor and it is known as fluorinating reaction. It is known as an example of oxidation reaction or redox reaction. In equation 3, where oxidation number of xenon become unchanged, oxidation number of fluorine also unchanged, oxygen number of oxygen also unchanged. So equation 3 is an example of redox reaction. Equation 4, where also oxidation number of xenon become unchanged, +6 to +2, oxidation number of fluorine and oxygen also unchanged. So equation 4 is an example, is not example of redox reaction. Only equation A example of redox reaction where oxidation number of xenon and oxygen become changed. This question came in JEE Main 2017 offline examination. The next question is, in which of the following reaction H2 acts as reducing agent? Here 4 reactions are given and the 4 options are given. Now what do you mean by reducing agent? Reducing agent oxidizes itself by oxidation reaction through the loss of electron. So in this 4 reaction where H2 undergo oxidized, then in such cases H2 acts as reducing agent. In this 4 reaction, in equation 2 where H2 undergoes oxidation and equation 4 where H2 undergoes oxidation. So in case of 2 and 4, H2 undergoes oxidized and reduced others, and in this case H2 acts as a reducing agent. So option 2 and 4 is the right one. And according to definition, reducing agent oxidates itself by oxidation reaction through the loss of electron. In equation 2 and equation 4, where loss of electron will occur, in each case 2 electron will lose, and each case H2 undergoes oxidation. So in this case, H2 undergoes oxidized and reduce others, and H2 acts as reducing agent. Okay. My next question is oxidation state of chromium in CrNH3 whole 4 Cl2 plus is option A 0, option B plus 1, option C plus 2, option D plus 3. Where unknown chromium taken as X, 4 ammonia acts as a neutral ligand having oxidation number 0 and 2 chloride having oxidation number minus 1 in each. So by calculation we get the values of X is equal to 3. So the oxidation state of chromium in this complex is plus 3. So option D is correct one. Next problem is the oxidation state of chromium in the final product formed by the reaction between Ki and acidified K2Cr2 solution is plus 3, plus 2, plus 6 and plus 4. We know when Ki reacts with acidified potassium dichromate, then the following reaction will occur, where dichromate anion reacts with iodide in presence of H plus ion to form chromic cation, which is oxidation number plus 3, where oxidation number of chromium changes from plus 6 to plus 3. The correct answer is plus 3, where oxidation number of chromium in the product. So in the following MCQ, option A is the right one. My next question is which products are expected from the disproportionation reaction of hypochlorous acid? There are 4 options also. This question came in AITB 2006 exam. Now we know HOCl undergoes disproportionation reaction to form HCl and HClO3. The reaction is 3HOCl arrow 2HCl plus HClO3, where oxidation number of chlorine reduced to plus 1 to minus 1 in HCl and oxidation number of chlorine oxidized from plus 1 to plus 5 from HOCl to HClO3. So HOCl undergoes disproportionation to form HCl and HClO3. So option D is the correct one. In this video, the last question is consider the following reaction where XMnO4 minus plus Y C2O4 2 minus and ZH plus and converts to XM2 plus cation 2 Y molecules of CO2 and Z by 2 molecules of H2O. The values of X, Y, Z in the reactions are given below. This question came in AITP as well as REIT exam. Now, this equation are want to balance the oxidation and reduction reaction. Now, oxidation half reaction is MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5E arrow Mn2 plus 4H2O. And reduction half reaction is C2O4 2 minus arrow 2CO2 plus 2E. Sorry, the above reaction is reduction half reaction and this is oxidation half reaction. Now reduction half reaction is MnO4 minus plus 8H plus 5E arrow Mn2 plus 4H2O, and oxidation half reaction is oxalate anion C2O4 2 minus arrow 2CO2 plus 2E. Now balancing the electron in both reaction, we multiply the equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 5, we get 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 5 C2O4 2 minus arrow 2 Mn2 plus 8H2O plus 8H2O plus 10 CO2. So by comparing this equation, we get X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 5 and Z is equal to 16. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like this type of video, please subscribe this channel and put the bell icon below it and comments and share this video. Thank you.